Unit 6. Recording 6. Listen and read. The Vegetable Garden.
Let's plant some vegetables. Good idea. Look, carrot, bean and tomato seeds.
I like carrots and beans. I like tomatoes too. Hey, look! These are peas.
I don't like peas, but I like potatoes. Me too. Let's plant potatoes. Okay, and rice too. I like rice.
Is rice a plant?
Yes, it is.
Is pasta a plant? I like pasta.
No, it isn't, Ben. Einstein!
Wow! Look at this garden!
Look at all the vegetables.
Welcome!
Oh no! Have we got water? Look, I've got water.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Come with me. Wow, look, bananas. Yum. Do you like bananas? Yes, I do.
This garden is fun.